Hi guys, it's Sophie from Just Fabrics, and today I'm going to show you how to make a lined drawstring bag like this one. So for this make, you'll need to choose two contrasting fabrics. We've chosen the Gone Fishing in the vintage colourway and the JF Ticking in the blue. Some pins, a tape measure, chalk or a pencil, a safety pin, scissors, an iron, a sewing machine, and you'll also need to choose some ribbon, grosgrain or drawstring to put in the top of the bag. So for the fabric, we're going to cut out 4 pieces. We're going to cut 2 for the face fabric, which is the Gone Fishing, and we're going to cut 2 of the ticking, which will be the lining. The pieces you want to cut out are going to be 20 inches wide and 22 inches long, so a rectangle shape. Next thing you need to do on all 4 pieces is take the longer edge and mark down on the side, about 2 inches down from the top. The next thing you're going to do is put right sides together for both the lining and the main fabric, and we're going to stitch from the 2 inches that you've just measured down, all the way along, down the bottom and up the other side. So once you've sewn up the 3 sides, you want to just trim your corners so that when you turn it the right way out, they're going to be nice and sharp. So do this for the 2 bottom corners on your outer fabric and on your lining fabric. And the next thing we're going to do is iron the seams and turn down the tops for the channel for the drawstring. The next thing you want to do, so the piece where you folded it down where you had your 2 inches spare, you're going to pin this and we're going to stitch it on the machine. Make sure they're not sewn together. We want to pin and sew each side separately. So when you've got both pieces sewn, you need to turn the outer fabric so that the right sides are showing and leave the lining fabric with the right sides on the inside. And the next thing we're going to do is place this piece, so the lining, inside the other piece. And the final thing you need to do is we're going to turn down the top piece, and if you turn it down twice, leaving enough width to put your chosen ribbon or drawstring through the casing, and then also fold in so that you can get rid of the raw edge and make it nice and neat. So once you've pinned all the inside and you've lined up each edge, you're going to stitch all the way along, obviously leaving a gap where your drawstring is going to be. So once you've finished sewing the top edge of your bag, you are going to want to take your chosen ribbon or drawstring and take one end and use your safety pin and pin that in one side, and we're going to use that to feed this through the top of the bag with the channel that we just made. And that's your finished drawstring bag. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed that make, and you can find all the fabrics and more how-tos on our website and also on our social media.